Hey guys, I just got this brand new airsoft sniper rifle. It just came today, and I'm gonna shoot down this stupid bird. I shot like 3 shots already. Dang it, it never works. That bird? Look at the birdie.
Right, I know I am.
Wait, now let me see the iPad and do the scope thing. See, it's a bit weird with the camera, like that, but it's a lot better than it shows on the camera. Trying to get the camera to. So we'll do hold this and then. Bird is the word. He's shooting. Dang it, it always falls down.
Tinkle. Did you even shoot a bullet?
I'm gonna review this sniper rifle, so this is the scope. Hey guys, so this thing, you detach the scope like that. I'm gonna try to shoot that freaking bird without a scope, because it's a bit easier like that. It's hard to use the scope.
I know it's hard to believe, but
With the scope, it's we have to adjust it. Ain't nobody got time for that. So I'm gonna try to get that freaking bird. So I think I better need this. So what's it called? Look at the scope right now and have to attach the scope. I know, it takes a long time, and it's a bit boring to watch me put this back on, but I guess it's worth it. Wait, do I have bullets? Nope. No, I'll just fill it up. No! The bird flew away. What? Damn it. Well, I guess I'll be shooting that bottle back there that I set up before when I was shooting this. So. Okay, well, look at what I'm shooting. The bottle back there. Hopefully I can get a shot at it. Dang it! The BBs always fall out. Did you shoot anything? I'm not sure if I got it.
can I go in
Well, I'm so bad at this.
Can I go see can I go inside and see him?
Okay, go look at that blue basket right now.
Wait, we're gonna go look at the bottle. Well, if you look at the bottle, there's no dents or anything on it, so yeah. No hit markers.
Oh, we'll just stand in that over there that way. Okay, so I'm not gonna. so. Okay, so I'm gonna try to shoot that thing. Got
You
it.
hit? Let's see where
No.
you hit.
No, it doesn't
Alright.
need a mark.
Alright.
Okay, this is the last shot of the day. I'm gonna try and use a triangle over there. In the middle of that. Dang it! Okay, whatever. Okay, so I'm going to win them. So, I guess I'll be shooting this in a few more videos, but that's the end of this one. See ya.